Meaning of General American.
General American.
General American.
General American.
General American. General American refers to a variety of American English that is considered to be neutral or standard, and lacks any strong regional characteristics. It is often used as a model for English language teaching and pronunciation guides. General American has its roots in the Midwestern accent of the United States, but has been influenced by other regions over time. Features of General American include a lack of distinct regional vocabulary, a flat or Midwestern intonation pattern, and the absence of prominent phonological features found in other regional accents.